I very recently had the opportunity to work with a group of 30 leaders from a large nonprofit. They wanted to sit down and really articulate their values, to try to come up with what their core or their DNA values were. It was an amazing exercise. We started out by giving everybody an opportunity to share stories about times they were proud of their organization. And out of those stories, they were able to find common themes that led them to see what their values really were. And one of the magical and great things about that is when you have a conversation about your values, it helps you form your culture as an organization. And the same thing happens for individuals. If we were to think, each of us, about times when we acted in ways that made us proud, it will lead us to understand our values. And when we're clear about our values, we can act with congruence with our values. And that demonstrates great character. So take the time to articulate your values either as an organization or as an individual, and it will lead you to great things.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.